Did you know? There exists a lake on Earth so deadly, so bizarre, that it turns animals into stone. No, this isn't a myth. This isn't folklore, this is real, and it's hiding in the heart of Africa. Welcome to Lake Natron. Nestled in northern Tanzania near the Kenyan border, Lake Natron looks like a paradise lost. A reddish-pink lake glowing under the African sun, its surreal beauty attracts curious eyes from around the world. Behind that beauty lies something far more disturbing. This isn't an ordinary lake. This is one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. Its waters are a deadly chemical cocktail, and what it does to life is nothing short of terrifying. The lake's high alkalinity, with pH levels as high as 10.5, makes it similar in nature to bleach. The water isn't just salty, it's corrosive. If an unsuspecting bird, bat, or small animal touches this water, it doesn't just drown, it transforms. Its skin hardens, its muscles stiffen, its body becomes dry and brittle, and slowly, it turns to stone. These aren't legends. These are real, mummified remains found on the lake's shoreline, perfectly preserved, eyes open, wings spread, frozen in their final moment of life. British photographer Nick Brandt brought global attention to this haunting mystery. In one of his trips, he discovered multiple calcified birds lying along the lake's edge, so perfectly preserved they looked like sculptures made by an artist. He placed some of them on rocks to photograph, capturing images so eerie they felt like they belonged in a museum of nightmares. But these were no art pieces. They were once living creatures, now turned into stone by nature itself. So what's really going on? The secret lies in sodium carbonate, a compound found in large quantities in Lake Natron. This same compound was used by ancient Egyptians for mummifying their dead. When an animal dies in the lake, the water begins extracting all moisture from its body. Within days, the remains are dehydrated, discolored, and preserved like ancient relics. This process prevents bacteria from breaking down the flesh, meaning the body doesn't rot, it solidifies. Lake Natron doesn't just kill, it immortalizes. But science doesn't answer everything. For generations, locals have feared Lake Natron. Many believe it is cursed. Some tribes claim that it's a place where lost souls are imprisoned, a spiritual borderland between the world of the living and the dead. Fishermen speak of strange shadows moving on the water's edge, voices heard at dusk, figures that appear for a second and vanish into the red mist. They believe the lake is guarded by ancient spirits, and those who enter without permission may never return. And yet, life exists here. Surprisingly, one of the largest colonies of lesser flamingos comes here to breed. Why? Because this hostile lake protects them. Predators can't reach the nests on the lake's salty islands. The flamingos walk on crusted salt, immune to the water thanks to their tough skin and unique biology. In this deadly environment, these birds thrive, a symbol of survival in a place that kills almost everything else. Isn't that poetic? A lake that mummifies, yet also gives birth to life. Lake Natron is more than just a dangerous body of water. It's a reminder of nature's raw power, of its beauty and brutality. It challenges our understanding of life and death, how close they really are. So the next time you see a photo of a blood-red lake glowing under the African sky, ask yourself, is it reflecting the clouds above, or the souls trapped beneath? If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves uncovering the world's darkest mysteries. Because here, facts are stranger than fiction, and nature is far more terrifying than fantasy.